everyone. Today I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Elizabeth. I am 19 years old. I was born in Konsawangna village, I also from Konsawangna village. And I am student. I'm studying year 1 at Sonakit University. And my family, there are 3 people. My father, my mother, me, and my younger sister. And alright. Now I live in my home with my family. And my family's food, I like green chicken, noodle soup, and my family's drink